Assalamualaikum. Today we will be dropping off 30 winter packs to Sanctuary Trust.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। गुज़श्ता 5-6 सालों की तरह इस दफ़ा भी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह कल हमारे नौजवान iCare के तहत ये विंटर किट तकसीम कर रहे हैं। ये इसकी तादाद 30 है, लेकिन पूरे मुल्क के अंदर 500 के करीब ये किट्स तकसीम होंगे इंशाअल्लाह। और वो लोग जो होमलेस हैं उनके लिए खुशखबरी है और उनकी मदद है। अल्लाह रब्बुल आलमीन हमारे नौजवानों को जो iCare के तहत खिदमत सर अंजाम दे रहे हैं, इन्हें अजर जज़ील अता फरमाए। जज़ाकुमुल्लाह।
This pack will include a drawstring bag, a set of gloves, a woolly hat, emergency blanket and a set of thermals.
Inshallah, the packs are ready now. We're going to be taking them down to the Sanctuary Trust and then they're going to be handed out to those that need them the most.
Thank you very much for the donations, guys. We really appreciate them. We're an abstinence project on Tweedale Street for the homeless.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونؤمن به ونتوكل عليه. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Respected brothers and sisters in Islam, we are here at a homeless sanctuary on Tweedale Street in Rochdale to deliver these winter packs. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we respond to his call to help each other in goodness. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept this from all of us and allow us to help each other, especially those who are less fortunate, those who don't have a shelter, those who don't have food on their plates. As the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, the one, he is not a believer, she is not a believer, the one who sleeps at night while his neighbor sleeps on an empty stomach. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us to continue to support this cause. iCare on behalf of UKIM. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
iCare will be distributing 500 to 600 packs over this weekend at various locations all over the UK.
Please support all other iCare projects such as the food bank, which is happening on the last Sunday of every month.
You can donate long life items and dry food. Please see the poster for more information. Monetary donations are also welcome via the bank details listed below.